The Geely Manjaro, also known as Jingyuel in some markets, has been evaluated in various crash tests and has demonstrated commendable safety performance, including in side impact tests. The vehicle incorporates advanced safety technologies such as a high-strength steel body frame, side impact airbags, and active safety systems like lane-keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. These features help it perform well in crash scenarios, offering significant protection to passengers. In the China Insurance Automotive Safety Index (CIASI) tests, Geely Manjaro achieved good ratings, reflecting its ability to handle side impacts effectively. The car also benefits from Geely's total safety management system, focusing on both active and passive safety technologies to ensure robust occupant protection. Chinese car manufacturers have made significant strides in vehicle safety, but challenges remain. The China New Car Assessment Program (CNCAP) has tested various models, and many have earned high safety ratings comparable to international standards. Brands like Geely and Chery consistently perform well, with models such as the Geely M Grand EC7 and Chery Tiggo series achieving 5-star safety ratings. These results reflect improved crashworthiness and advanced safety features. Here's a wild way to do a crash test. Chinese automaker Changon decided to put the body strength of one of its latest models to the test by rolling a 7.5-ton excavator right over it. Watch till the end. The results are pretty unbelievable. The Chinese are dropping flaming steel balls in huge containers on their car, and these are the craziest crash tests ever conducted. Crash tests are an essential part of car development, and typically they try to simulate real accident scenarios to understand how safe the cars are for drivers and passengers. Apparently, unbelievable things can happen on Chinese roads, considering the insane ways automakers are testing their vehicle while driving the Neta S Hunting Edition. You don't need to worry if an 8-ton excavator parks on your car's roof. The BiX BJ40 can withstand the blow of a giant sword and still function even after falling off a huge cliff. If you're afraid that a giant aiming spiked steel ball will crash into your car, nothing bad will happen if you're driving a Hongqi. Went even further by trying to flatten the Manjaro with 2 Honda CR-Vs on cable, followed by dropping a huge container on the car. Zeekr vehicles also have containers dropped on them, and even a concrete mixer truck. What do you think of these crash tests?